Here are the performance tests of my brand new 2025 Kohler Highline Arc. Before we do the tests, let's first give it a flush. I actually like the flush on these, but I like the flush on the 2015 Highline Class 5 better than this, but it's still a pretty good flush and I still like it. Now to some tests. For the first test, let's see if we can take a microfiber rag. These toilets have pretty good suction power, so it should take it like nothing. Yep, took it like nothing. For the next test, let's see if we can take a grocery bag. I think it should take it without any problems as well. Did great. For the next test, let's see if we can take a grocery bag and a microfiber rag together. Since Kohler is trying to improve performance and flushes, like as good as the older Class 5s like the 2015 one, I think it should take it just fine. Once again, took it without any problems. For the next test, let's see if we can take a microfiber towel. Since the past 3 tests, like it was absolutely nothing, like it aced it with no problems, I think this would take it like nothing. Yep, just like every single test I did, it took it like nothing. So before we get into bigger performance tests, let's do 15 bottle caps first to see how it does. For the last regular test, let's see if we can take 15 bottle caps. Judging by this has good suction power, I think it should take all of it without any problems. Looks like it took all of it, but I'm gonna check the bin to make sure. As I checked the bin to see all of the bottle caps came out, all 15 are in the bin. So that took all of it. So now let's do a microfiber towel and a microfiber rag together. Let's see if it takes it. Well, this is a big test which I can only do for some toilets like the pressure assists, like the Kohlers, but I think it should take it, but let's see how it does. It struggled a little bit, but it took it. Nice. For the next big test, let's see if we can take a grocery bag and a microfiber towel together. Here goes nothing. It took it barely, but it seems like it did not struggle. Nice. So, it makes me want to do this toilet versus my 2015 Highline Class 5. I'm going to do a battle of that, but that'll be for another video. Let's do one more big test, and then we're going to end the video. Last but not least, let's see if we could take a grocery bag, microfiber towel, and a microfiber rag together. So this is a big test, and the toilets I've only seen it past was a Champion 4 and a 2025 Kohler Highline pressure light. But let's see how this does. And it clogged. But you can't blame it for this failing because it is a big test and not many toilets can take that. I've only seen a few toilets take this big test. I'm gonna give it a second flush after the tank is full. Flush 2. If this takes it, then I'm gonna be impressed, but I think it's gonna overflow me instead. It hasn't overflowed yet, but I'm gonna give it another flush to see if I can overflow it. Flush 3. Let's see if it overflows. That was pretty cool, but it failed. So overall, I'd say for the performance of this toilet is really good. I actually like how it has really good performance. Well, if you want to see more toilet performance tests and flushes, please like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.